Check out this beauty. This is a Commodore 64 that I picked up from a local electronics recycling center when I took my trip to Minneapolis. I had never seen one in person, and when I saw this for a decent price, I knew I just had to get it. I have absolutely no experience with a computer this old, so this is going to be interesting. I honestly have no idea if it works or not, and I wouldn't doubt that it probably doesn't fully function because it's in kind of rough shape. But we are going to clean it up and hopefully get it working. I bought an official power supply for this thing, so let's get it plugged in and see if it at least turns on. All right, got it plugged in. I also have it connected to one of these GFCI outlets in the garage in case something bad happens. I don't think anything will, but safety first. All right, let's flip the switch on the side and see if anything happens. We got a power light. Cool, that's a good sign. Now, whether or not we'll get a picture out of this thing is still yet to be seen. I unfortunately don't have an official video adapter to use with this thing, although there is an RF out, which kind of looks like a composite cable port. I might try that and see if I'm able to get a picture out of it, but let's find out. Okay, got it hooked up to the TV. Let's see what happens. Nothing's coming up on screen. Got it connected in there correctly. I may have to find a cable that has that video connector on there. I know that I was doing some looking online, and I did see that there are like composite video and S-video adapters that connect to that port. So I think I'm going to order one and maybe see if that will work. The AV cable has arrived. Now, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing actually works. Here we go. No way! Oh, that is so cool. Heck yeah. All right. Just goes to show looks can be deceiving. We are fully working. Now, whether or not some of the other ports are working, which, you know, for like the disk drive, for example, I might end up getting like a floppy disk emulator of sorts. But yeah, this thing is straight up working. I was not expecting that. Awesome. Next is time to clean this thing all up and have it looking at least a little bit better than it already does right now, because, yeah, she's a little on the rough side. But hey, we confirmed that it's fully working, so that is awesome. It's time to get to work. all cleaned up and put back together, and it looks much, much better. I couldn't get these stains out of the plastic no matter how hard I tried. I'm sure I could probably, with some more work, I could probably get those out, but it's fine. It definitely looks a lot better than it did when I first picked it up. And of course, still works. This has actually been quite an interesting project to do because this is the oldest computer I've ever worked on. And for the most part, turned out to be pretty successful.